It's me, Poppy! Welcome back to Spartan Kids! Today we will draw a cupcake. So, let's draw a cupcake and make it very, very delicious. Take out your drawing book and colors and let's make something creative because it's coloring time! How to draw a cupcake. Step 1. Draw 2 straight, slanted lines of the same length. Step 2. Using one arc, connect the lower ends of the 2 previously drawn straight lines. Step 3. Above the drawn lines, add many arcs of different sizes to depict one whole figure. Step 4. Depict a few straight lines at the bottom of the cupcake as shown. Step 5. In the upper part of the cupcake, draw 2 eyes in the form of 2 identical ovals. Step 6. At the top of the eyes, add some eyelashes. Add the mouth in the form of an arc and lines. Step 7. To draw the sprinkles on top of the cupcake, draw the shapes using straight and curved lines. Step 8. Color the cute cupcake. Thank you for watching our Spartan Kids videos. Catch you later with something even better!